Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to forward an email as an attachment on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application itself. Let's now click on an email within our inbox. Right click. And then forward as an attachment. What this will do is create an email, which we will now increase the size of. And that email that we had clicked on has now been attached to this email, which we will then open up once we have added the recipient, sent the email, open up the email via Gmail. So let's now add in the recipient, which is ComputerScienceVideos@gmail.com. That's fine. Now go within the email and let's compile a brand new email. Dear CSV, please see the attachment within this email. Kind regards. Signature, admin. Let's now send the email. So that email itself has been sent. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, enter to open up the web browser. Now go to Gmail and then click on that email. Let's now download the attachment. Show in Finder. Right click, open with Microsoft Outlook. And there we go. So we can now go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome, quit Google Chrome, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.